Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing tips and techniques to help you triple your sales. All right, so if you're super excited to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so with that being said, let's get right into it. First things first, guys, you know I'm all about results, so I'm going to showcase the results here, and then after that I'm going to give you like a 10,000 foot view of exactly how I go about affiliate marketing in the most dominant way to be able to do that. All right, so as you can see, guys, the results so far this month, $783.30. Also over here, the percentage just lets you know that my team is continuing to duplicate, right? And I'm super excited about that. Now, real quick, guys, I don't want to share with you anything that's not going to help you, that's not going to benefit you, right? I don't want to just show you multiple ways, a bunch of different ways that you're just going to take you on the wrong path and then you're going to be wasting your time. I don't want to do that, right? I want to give you something that's going to be, you know, proven to work for you because I've seen it work for myself. All right. So with that being said, right, I just kind of want to let you guys know that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get the results out of here. I just want to show you guys these just to kind of show you my progress. And real quick, I did a video yesterday and the results were at $620 in revenue for the month. So if we were to calculate that for today, 783 minus 620, that would be $163 today. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys and be completely transparent so you know that the stuff that I'm going to be teaching you guys, it just works. All right, so let's get that out of the way. Now, the strategy, this is why you're here. You want to make more sales. Well, I'm going to give you something that has worked for me time and time again. All right, so here we go. I'm going to draw a box, and in that box, I'm going to draw a P. Okay, so obviously that P right there, it stands for product. You need a product that's going to solve a huge problem that people are having, right? So let me give you an example. So if every business needs to be seen. If a business is not being seen, meaning maybe they're on a block that no cars drive by, or just in general not being seen, that business is not going to make any money. They're just not going to make money because no one's seeing them, right? So that the product for that would be advertising, right? That's real broad, but that's advertising. Advertising would be the problem for that. All right? So what are we referring to in this case? So you got P for product. Now what you want to do is I'm just going to draw like little dots, right? And I'm going to explain what these dots are. All right, so all these little dots that you see are within the product, things that you could share with your audience to provide value to them, right? So basically what you're doing is you're taking once you take those pieces out and you share value to them, your audience may not have known about certain things, right? So once they find your content, or they're like, maybe they're warm audience or they're cold audience, but once they see you know things that they don't know, that makes you an instant authority, right? The best example I can give you, right? When it comes to search traffic on YouTube, people are not necessarily searching for you when they search for that. When they're trying to solve their problem, they're searching for a keyword. Now, when they search that keyword and they find a bunch of different videos, let's say your video is at the top, it's ranking #1, and they see your video, they watch it, they get value from it, and maybe they buy your product. If you're providing enough value, maybe they buy your product, right? But if you just put together a video, slap it up there, and even if you rank #1, but your video is not of quality and you're not giving any value, guess what? They're not going to buy from you. So you ranked your video for no apparent reason, right? So there's a strategy to it. All right, so basically what I'm telling you is take little pieces out of the product. Don't give the entire product away, because at that point there's no need for them to buy the product from you. Just give them bits and pieces, right? But still enough to where they feel like, oh, okay, this person really gave me some value. I'm going to continue to follow them. All right. So the second phase of the strategy, once you start doing this, right, you want to take people on a journey. Now, guys, this right here is one of the most powerful strategies I've seen, period. Now, in the example I'm going to talk to you guys about is for a particular company that teaches financial cash flow strategies. You guys probably seen me talk a little bit about that here on the channel. But with that company, they teach those strategies. And what I did is I implemented one of the strategies. That strategy put an extra $600 back into my paycheck on my job. Now, when I did that, what I did is I started to educate people on how it was possible. They kept showing up. Right? My audience kept growing. More and more people started to watch my live videos over on Facebook, more and more every single day. And then what I did while I was implementing the strategy, and I seen that it was real, that I was able to actually put more money back into my paycheck using it, then I did a live video. I shared with them. I had my social proof, like my actual pay stub, and I talked about how it was possible some more. I educated, I dropped some value, and then, give me a sec. So I dropped the value, and then I showed more social proof. So the people that have been listening to me, you know, and being educated and enjoying the value, when they finally seen that the results were real and I wasn't just educating them anymore, and they saw it, then I had a bunch of people get started in the business, right? Because they seen that it was possible. So what I'm telling you is you have to take people on your journey with you. Because when people are going on the journey with you, they see what you're doing. They see the money you're making. They see that you're creating a better life for yourself. When people see that, now they're more willing to join. Right? They're more willing to join your business or buy your product because you're showing them that it works. So the key in this is to demonstrate your product, right? Another example would be if you have a weight loss product. This is probably the best example because now you're able to show them from you going from overweight, right, to you going to being extremely fit, right? So I feel like weight loss products, they're the best when it comes to showing if something works, right? Because you see it. You're out of shape. You don't look as at what you really want to look like, and then boom, your transformation is here, right? So weight loss products show that example the best. But guys, if I'm honest, it's just to show people the journey. Because as you're getting excited, the people are getting excited, and everybody is excited, but they're at the most important is they're seeing your results. Because the results is what people want to see. They don't care about you just saying that something works. They don't care about you just talking. No, they want to see it. Does it work? Is it going to lose them 20 pounds? Is it going to lose them 30 pounds? Is it going to help them make $100 in a day? Right? Is what you're providing to them, is that true value enough for them to pull out their credit card and buy from you? That's the key, guys. Taking them on that journey. So hopefully you got something from this. I know this was a short video, but I really hope that it was valuable for you. Something that's going to help you from now on not struggle anymore, right? Not make any sales, not be depressed and upset because things aren't going well. Take people on that journey and be happy about it, because you're going to see those results come in. Because I've done this over and over and over again, and every single time that I use this strategy where I take people on a journey, I literally blow up that business. All right, so with that being said, hopefully you got some value, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn my #1 recommended system to make a full-time income online, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It'll take you over to a web page. Once you get on that web page, all you have to do, I'll have my Facebook contact information right on that page. Just reach out to me, send me a friend request, and we can move forward on that. All right, so hopefully you got some value, and I look forward to seeing you, my friend, in the next video. Peace.